The world is revolutionizing very quickly. The EV markets are on to making history. We see legacy car makers transfiguring the car industry every day. New vehicle manufacturing brands are restlessly bringing in new electric vehicles. The Public Investment Fund, PIF, plans to bring Lucid Motors to Saudi Arabia. The first step was taken in 2018. PIF invested $1 billion when the company was in the early stages of designing advanced luxury cars. In this video, we'll look into what made PIF interested in Lucid Motors. Will this partnership become stronger with time? This video will also be focused on discussing how this relationship came into being. Hello and welcome back to New Vehicle Media. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you leave your thoughts in the comments section, we might just feature you in our next video. Today, we'll be sharing exclusive statements and facts made by the PIF regarding bringing the multinational car brand to Saudi Arabia. We've gone through the Public Investment Fund program for 2021 to 2025 and summed up the highlights for Lucid Motors. If you want to know their plans, make sure to watch this video till the end. The Public Investment Fund. PIF is amongst the largest sovereign wealth funds in the world, with total estimated assets of $430 billion. The founding purpose of the PIF is to invest funds on behalf of the Saudi Arabian government, working on more than 200 investments, which include 20 listed on Tawadul, the Saudi stock exchange. The PIF has been the kingdom's main investment arm and has played an important role in the financing of vital projects in the kingdom, including in the oil refining, fertilizer, petrochemical, and electricity sectors. PIF follows the task of playing strategic and specific role within Vision 2030 to lead the charge in building a national economic transformation for positive, sustainable change in Saudi Arabia. Today, PIF is considered as one of the top-tier sovereign wealth funds in the world. Such success was epitomized by the kingdom's active presence within the G20, delivering many breakthroughs in strategic investment operations, acquisition deals, infrastructure, and establishing strategic partnerships. PIF moving towards a vision of innovation, and these significant achievements came to resonate with Vision 2030's mission, programs, and initiatives to spark a change fueled by a robust, reliable, and stable economic arm. PIF plays a vital strategic role in realizing Vision 2030's objectives to drive Saudi Arabia's economic transformation for a flourishing future. The Saudi Arabia plans for Lucid Motors. PIF's investment brought an amazing fortune for Lucid Motors. After the investment of $1 billion by the PIF, the company has made many breakouts. The PIF's involvement is not just motivated by a desire for a return on investment, though. It is also involved in trying to lure more skills and investment into Saudi Arabia to provide rewarding jobs for locals. PIF was also motivated by the fact that these motors are environmentally friendly assets. The fund has already made a substantial commitment to other environmentally friendly projects, including renewables and recycling, and to technology companies or investments. The automotive industry's development program of PIF at the regional level represents an excellent opportunity for import substitution. Given that it is one of the sectors with the largest GDP and job multiplier, it would boost non-oil GDP growth and employment. The battery electric vehicles (BEV) sector is currently witnessing vast and accelerating growth and would signify an additional value to PIF's portfolio, which aims to achieve growing returns in the long term. And that is where Lucid plays a role in bringing promising and innovative assets. Renewable energy sources are already cost-competitive with conventional energy, making them an attractive area for PIF from a development and manufacturing perspective. Building the kingdom's solar and wind energy capacity and developing the value chain in industries related to solar and wind energy in the kingdom, manufacturing equipment such as solar cells, models, wind turbines. This also brought a key perspective for the PIF's investment in Lucid Motors. PIF plans to invest thematically in megatrends. They plan investment themes to follow sources of growth, including global demand, innovation, value creation, and others. The two initiatives which brought Lucid into play were: number 1, sustainable investing, for climate change and decarbonization, resource scarcity, waste and pollution issues. And 2. Urbanization and new mobility, the rise of megacities, need for enhanced infrastructure, and new ways of transportation. Future prospects. The Saudi government and PIF are positive about the company's future as a number of Saudi graduates have gained work experience at Lucid already, according to comments by PIF Governor Yasir bin Othman Al Rumayyan last month, and the PIF's investment could in time lead to a Lucid factory being built in Saudi Arabia. The sedan has yet to be launched, with the company now saying production and deliveries are due to happen in the second half of this year, with prices starting at $69,900. An SUV, currently dubbed Project Gravity, is due to be added to the lineup in 2023. The company is hoping to deliver 20,000 cars next year, bringing in revenue of $2.2 billion. The Saudi investment proved a great deal for the company, as in future Lucid Motors is going to become a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange in a deal that will leave the electric vehicle startup with $4.4 billion in cash. The plan is to start shipping its first luxury electric vehicle, the 500-mile range Air sedan, later this year. An electric SUV is slated to follow in 2023. The PIF investment also triggered other investors to follow their tracks. Much like many other startups in the automotive space have done over the past year, Lucid Motors is skipping the traditional path to becoming a publicly traded company and is instead merging with the Special Purpose Acquisition Company, or SPAC. Specifically, Lucid Motors is merging with Churchill Capital Corp. 4, which is already listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The future of the company is very fortunate and will prove a great investment for the PIF, as the PIF will hold a stake of 62% in Lucid once the acquisition of the automaker by Special Purpose Acquisition Vehicle Churchill Capital 4 is complete. The holding would be valued at about $32 billion based on the current share price of Churchill Capital 4. Lucid Motors said it will be listed on NASDAQ exchange once its merger with Churchill Capital 4 (CCIV) is complete. The US-based electric vehicle maker earlier announced it was merging with the New York-listed CCIV, a blank check company that is publicly listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The transaction is expected to provide additional growth capital for Lucid, which currently employs nearly 2,000 people and plans to add around 3,000 more by the end of 2022. The wrap-up. The Saudi investment is pretty much sure that companies like Tesla won't be giving Lucid competition, as both the companies are focusing on different aspects. But it still looks like the Saudi-backed company is coming at Tesla with full thrust. The specification and prices of these cars align side by side with other brands like Porsche and Audi. At this very moment, a single decision from Lucid can either lead to bankruptcy or make this company beat the competition. There is a lot going on with Lucid right now, with excessive orders and production delays. The company recently provided a major update regarding their orders and production plans. Some might be skeptical. The collaborations and the aim of making a production facility in Saudi Arabia, plus the luxury this company is presenting, can make a huge difference. Ramin believes Lucid has huge potential to be next to Tesla. Do you think competing with Tesla was a reason for the PIF to invest? Do you think that a bad decision can lead Lucid to bankruptcy in the first few years? When will Lucid solve the issue of delayed production, and when will they start releasing their cars? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.